Nano Baba Kabalen, welcome to Revamp, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog ay nandito tayo sa Angeles City at pupuntahan natin itong bagong-bagong lounge and spa na matatagpuan dito sa may Villa Angela.
So papakita natin konting clips kung anong nangyari and at the same time, syempre kasama natin si Wifey and experience na yung mga services niya dito.
So if you're interested to know more sa mga services nila, ay samahan nyo kami. So tara,
Let's go! How do you feel, Mom? How do you feel?
Excited ako.
Excited ka sa?
Ito sa ginagawa ni Mami. Ito, tinan mo.
Ano bang ano ba yung pinagawa mo? Anong service? What service is that?
Manicure, Pedicure. Ito, Omega Spa Package. 1399, Premium Foot Spa, Gel Manicure, Gel Pedicure, and Classic Eyelash.
So syempre mga services dito, available din mga hand and foot spa. Meron din tayong mga lashes, mga foreskin like natin Gluta Push, Vitamin C, and yung kanilang 5+1 session na push din for only 3,500. At the same time, syempre sa mga mahiling mag-combo services like yung kay ate, and ginawa sa kanila yung Omega package. Sulit na rin. Same time, kung gusto nyo mag-party dito like yung kanilang bridal spa packages, lalo na sa mga bride-to-be. So available yung Chanail Spa to have your bridal shower dito. Yun. Good.
This one, I feel pampered because this is self-care and self-love. Kasi comfortable, comfy, I was able to sleep. Oh, dito may cleaning, Miss Julie. Very good siya. Di ako lang ding singit-singit, dry skin. And Miss Beauty, flexible. So, try Chanail.
It's an honor po na ma-bless na po yung maliit na business and I hope po na maging successful siya eventually sa tulong ng mga family, friends, at saka po yung mga clients ko na nandito po today to support us po.
Where in Pampanga is Chanail Angeles City. And our help, where is it in Pampanga? Anywhere. The Lord be with you. God bless you, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Mabuhay. Palakpakan ng malakas.
We wish you the best and I hope for success of your small business and may you branch out to other places also.
Congratulations!
I'm inviting you to visit our shop, Chanail Lounge and Spa, located at corner Villa Angela Subdivision, Santo Domingo, in front of Cafe Noelle. We offer a lot of services like gel manicure, gel pedicure, nail arts, as well as glutathione push, and other pampaganda products para sa mga kabalen natin. Again guys, thank you so much and looking forward to see you in our shop. Bye!